Welcome back, my dear students of grade 6. In the last video, we have studied about the geography chapter first, the solar system and the earth. And we have discussed back exercise and the very short answer, question answer. Today, in this video, we will discuss the short answer and the long answer question answer of this chapter first, the solar system and the earth. Let us start today's work. Short answer type question answer. First is explain two features of the gravity in the universe. इस क्वेश्चंस में हमने ग्रेविटी के कोई दो फीचर बताने हैं. First one is it have a great mass. Second, it exert pull and force of attraction. Next question is what is the solar system? Name the components of our solar system. In this question we have to discuss the solar system कि solar system क्या है और उसके main components क्या है वो बताने हैं. The solar system is the family of the sun. It is believed that the solar system was formed about 5 billion years ago. The components of the solar system are sun, 8 planets, asteroids, moon, meteoroids and the comets. Next our question is why is earth called unique planet? Explain 3 points. हम अर्थ को यूनिक प्लैनेट क्यों कहते हैं? कोई 3 बातें बताएं. Answer is the earth is a unique planet because it is a rocky and terrestrial planet. Earth is comprised of land, air, water. Thus it supports life. It means because of land, air, water, only life is possible on the earth. There is a protective atmospheric blanket around it which protect us from the harmful rays of the sun. Next is our long answer type question answer. First, differentiate between, it means there are some questions, the celestial bodies, we have to discuss the difference between them. We have 3 parts of this question, that is inner planet and outer planet, asteroid and meteoroids, planet and stars. We will discuss the difference between them one by one. First है inner and outer planet. Inner planet, the first 4 planets which are closer to the sun are called inner planets. They have a rocky surface. Their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. जो फर्स्ट 4 प्लैनेट्स हैं उन्हें हम इनर प्लैनेट्स कहते हैं. जो उनकी सरफेस है रॉकी है, रॉक से बनी हुई है. आउटर प्लैनेट्स, द 4 प्लैनेट्स विच आर फार अवे फ्रॉम द सन आर कॉल्ड आउटर प्लैनेट्स. These are made of gases. Their names are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Next part is asteroid and the meteoroids. Asteroids are debris of irregular shaped rock fragments of the solar system located between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Mars और Jupiter के बीच में जो celestial bodies हैं उनकी जो ब्रेक ऑफ हो जाते हैं वो वहाँ पर घूमते रहते हैं, उन्हें हम कहते हैं एस्ट्रॉइड्स. मेट्रॉइड्स, these are small pieces of rock which move around the sun and are found in the space between 2 planets. ये किसी भी 2 प्लैनेट के बीच में मिल सकते हैं. मेट्रॉइड्स जो बड़ी सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज़ होती हैं उनके स्मॉल पीसीस जो सन के आसपास घूमते रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज स्टार एंड प्लैनेट्स. They are huge masses of burning gases. They shine by their own light, have their own heat. There are billions of stars. Sun is also a star. Planets, they are made of cold gases or some are rocky as inner and outer planets. They reflect the heat and light of their stars. As the Earth is a planet and it gets the light from its star, that is Sun. There are only 8 planets. Next our question is, what do you mean by satellites? Why are they important for the human progress? Satellites क्या होती हैं और हमारे लिए क्यों important है? Answer is, the man-made or artificial satellites are spacecraft launched by scientists from the Earth to draw information regarding the celestial bodies. अगर हमने celestial bodies के बारे में कोई भी information collect करनी है तो हम spacecraft launch करते हैं, जिसे हम artificial satellites या man-made satellites कहते हैं. It is the importance of the satellites to know about the celestial bodies. There are at present 800 active satellites in the orbit of the Earth and the other planets. Some of our Indian satellites are INSAT, EduSat, GSat. Next is explain the galaxy. Galaxy क्या है? Describe 4 important features of Milky Way galaxy. और जो हमारी मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी है उसके 4 फीचर हमें बताने हैं. गैलेक्सी इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ डस्ट, गैसेस एंड बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार्स एंड देयर सोलर सिस्टम. गैलेक्सी क्या होती है? डस्ट, गैसेस और स्टार्स से मिलकर बनी होती है और उनके अपना सोलर सिस्टम होता है. ए गैलेक्सी इज़ हेल्ड टुगेदर बाय ग्रेविटी. और ये आपस में जो स्टार्स हैं ग्रेविटेशनल पुल के कारण एक दूसरे से लिंक्ड होते हैं, जुड़े हुए होते हैं. फीचर्स ऑफ द मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी, इट हैज़ मोर देन 200 बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार्स. इट इज़ डस्टी एंड गैसी. द सोलर सिस्टम इज़ ए पार्ट ऑफ मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी. जो हमारा सोलर सिस्टम है वो मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी का ही पार्ट है. देयर इज़ ए ब्लैक होल इन द सेंटर. और हमारी गैलेक्सी के सेंटर में एक ब्लैक होल है. तो these are the features of the Milky Way galaxy. That's all about the short answer and the long answer type question answer of this chapter. I hope all of you understand about this. Thank you for watching this video.